Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Reading ma'am, we are from PBL AN 406 with the title Indonesian Culture Malay Folktale. Before any further ado, I'm gonna introduce you to my team. Uh, First of all is myself, Wahyu Eliandra, with my team Yunita Diniata Rahma, Liandri Anugrah, dan Pisan Sumardi. With our manager project is Miss Nursaima Harahap, SPD MHAM, and her also our client. Short fact, according to Capri website 2019, Malay folklore is a story passed down through generation by people who hold cultural values rooted by Malay tradition. Malay culture is also key part of Indonesia culture, deeply ingrained in the fabric of Indonesian society. With our project design is for target audience 15 years old above with romance genre and duration about 1 up to 2 minutes with format MP4. Short background, technology is advancing quite quickly in the digital age, and this includes visual media like animation. 3D animation play a key role delivering visual message effectively. One example is culture stories. According to Wikipedia, the culture of Riau Island is heavily influenced by Malay people. The Malays have a collection of folklore, but many people are unfamiliar with their stories. In fact, some residents of Riau Island unaware with their local folklore from area where they live. Next, Unita gonna continue my best.
Okay, so for the objectives is one, making a digital comic that depicts the tale of the Jodo Rivers from Batam City, Riau Island, and is based on the journeys of the Malay people, creating digital comic from traditional folklore and digital comic about Jodo River story in Batam City are helping people gain a better understanding of the local folklore. Problem limits. Content only the Malay folk tale Sungai Jodo is used in a research as the basis for 3D digital comic storytelling. Only the Malay culture of the Riau Island is represented visually in 3D digital comic. Only English, Indonesian, and Malay from the Riau Island are utilized in 3D digital comic. A maximum of 20 panels can be used to tell storylines in 3D digital comics. Again, technician. Two prefers Malay culture and engages the community or teenager of the Riau Island. The research used 3D digital comic. The studied 3D digital comics were created using just two pieces of software, Blender and Photoshop. This research used minimal animation 3D digital comic. The dissemination of 3D digital comics on the platform of YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok was restricted by the research. My friend Randy gonna be.
Okay, next is script. Before, my name is Rian Yanugrah. I'm gonna continue to present the script. The synopsis of our story is Mahabangsu, a cancer fan, found an injured white snake in the river while washing her master cloth. She took care of the snake at her home, and one day the snake's skin burned into gold. After the snake recovered, Mahabangsu released it back into the river when she found it. But the snake changed to human and revealed that he was a prince from a kingdom and proposed to her. Okay, next is reference. Our script was based on the folk tale from Batam that named Sungai Jodo. or River of Time, River of Love. We base our script from the article in ADN Times. Then we made the adaptation and developed it with theory of 3x structure that has setup, conflict, and resolution. What is the difference from our script and reference? First is we developing it with 3x structure, and we add one scene where that has a rumor of Sungai Jodoh to help better understanding the introduction of Sungai Jodoh. Next is storyboard. In making storyboard, first we make a script breakdown. We make a visual shot in every scene, and we use reference by Serena Mesa, a professional in ArtStation website. Then we make a storyboard by shot and shot. Next is character by Pizan.
Okay, next character. Here we have 6 character for female, 1 female and 1 snake character. We will make the 6 character into 3D to fulfill the requirement for making digital comic and to fulfill the output of the project, the subject. Next, the first one is the character Mahbongsu Moodboard. One physical reference, clothing reference, to our own character Mahbongsu. Next, White Snake and his human form Moodboard. Physical reference, clothing reference, accessories reference, to our own White Snake's character. Next, to our own human form character. Next, Majikan Moodboard. Physical reference, clothing reference, accessories, to our own character. Penduduk one Moodboard. Physical reference. Next, to our own character penduduk 1. Next, penduduk 2 Moodboard. Physical reference, to our own character penduduk 2. Next.
Okay, so next, with our moodboard property, we use 3 items for our story. First, we use box and jewelry for the snake gift to Mahbongsu, and broom and bucket. Food bucket. Next. This is a property design from the sketch to final. We use the box jewelry red box so that make it luxurious and so pretty. And this is our documentation with Manpro and
Okay, this is the validity page for our project, and that's all for us. Thank you for Thank you for listening to us. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.